Ooh, he grabbed it. Nice.
So what's going on here?
It worked. I'm speaking with Franco from Italy. We're trying to set up the machine because yeah, we replaced the PLC, and I'll tell you there's a whole backstory. Okay, very good. We're just texting. He's trying to change individually because the robot holds one in the arm and has 7, you see, he's playing like behind me. So everything is connected to the internet, and he is somewhere in Italy, and he's playing with our machine here in Austin. He clicked on the camera, he wants to see it. Just because he saw it. He says, yeah, all good, but he saw that I was pointing at you with the laptop, and he goes, but be ready with the e-stop, meaning that I have to immediately stop it, because in case something goes wrong, it crashes the tool. The robot doesn't know, right? So he has to do 8 cycles of this to make sure that each tool is in the right position. I'm gonna show you later how precise the tool needs to fall on 2 metal pins. This whole rack is steel, the one that comes out with the tools. What the tools are being attached to is plastic and aluminum. That arm is carbon fiber, the actual supports that are holding the sander. And if it's off by 2-3 millimeters, it's gonna go in those steel pins, and it's gonna crash either the plastic or the aluminum. So that's why he's so worried. He says, just keep an eye on the machine, let the video. He doesn't know that we wanna be YouTube famous. So he's deleting because I have used this USB. He created it for me in 2022. And now he said, luckily you had it, because otherwise there would have been a lot of parameters that we would have had to manually input.
So it's like an update?
Exactly. With physical testing. So it's tested, for sure it works. This is the screen that I hated for the first week after installing it. I would only see this, nothing else would work. Now it does. Start machine. On the table. Oh. We couldn't get the touch screen to work, but it was just a matter of resetting for 5 seconds the screen, and you have to recalibrate it for the new CPU, which I didn't know.